Welcome back. In this video we're going to see if the Scamp starts. It's been 6, 7, 8 months over winter. Yep, sorry I haven't been uploading many videos. I've been cracking on with a deadline on one of the other projects, and Frank, I haven't done enough to actually produce a whole video yet. I've been doing bits on it, and as you've been seeing, I've been 3D printing stuff and getting stuff ready for the dash, but again, I don't want to upload half a video and half of the stuff's not done, so that'll be coming in another week or so. Anyway, we've got a little bit of time. It's sun's out, so let's see if we can get this started. We've got a charged battery, we've got a geared starter motor, so we should be able to turn this over all afternoon to see if it starts. I'll have a bit of a tidy up, as always when this garage gets left over the winter. It just turns into a storage place and just things get chucked to the back of the car, as I'm sure I'm not the only person around here that happens to. And if we can get it for a drive, great. If not, I just want to at least see if we can get it started, have a bit of a tidy up, clear some of the junk out. The giant poo is still inflated, which is good. And yeah, all right, let's have a bit of a tidy up. See my giant stash of Pepsi Max that me and my daughter live off. Daughter number 1, that is. Daughter number 2, she likes Fanta, for anyone interested. So yeah, tidy up time, and then get the battery in and let's see what happens. Man, it's cozy in this garage. Get off, you dead spider. Ah, there's the engine mount, Pete. I was looking for that. Pete mate needed an engine mount. I thought it was on the shelf. I knew I had it in my hand the other week. And then there it is. Okay, a couple of nylocks here. Okay, there for the battery cable. So yeah, let's go get the battery. Plug it in and see what happens. Shit. Have my dirty clothes on, really. These will all be dirty in a minute. Bitch. Here you go. Resting up. Not desperate to be plugging the winch just yet, are we? Alright, time lapse this and then wow, it's chilly out here. Alright, yeah. Got some pipes here that are blocked off. I think that's the old vacuum. That would be for the vacuum. Let's put this on. This should go for broke. I'll just assume everything will work. There's my 3D printed adapter pipe to just change the angle for the cold air intake. That makes any difference. I think we were close to, we did have it running, but we never took it for a drive in the end. We never got it warmed up. So anyway, jump in, you won't be able to see me, but I'm here. choke out, if that was all about. Ignition light on, dash coming on. Turns over, right, doesn't it? Well, what do we expect, eh? What do we expect? I've left all my easy start, I think. Down. Trim adhesive, no, that's actually not easy start. Just take this off, just check the trunks and everything's looking good. Choke's good. What's going on there? Is that that was the choke. Well, not much going on at the moment. Let's see if we can find a bit of fuel. There is a severe lack of fuel in the fuel tank. Not sure where it's all gone. Maybe it was low anyway, but I haven't been smelling a lot of petrol. Obviously it could evaporate. Maybe the tank's just... But literally there's, yeah, bone dry, give or take. And I think all my jerry cans are down the unit. I don't really want to go buy another jerry can just to buy fuel. Well, thank God for neighbours and Tariq. Thank you, Tariq. He had a spare jerry can. So, just got some super plus fuel. As I haven't converted this yet to unleaded, but the miles it's doing ain't a problem for the moment. And yeah, if anyone's thinking, oh, there's that plasma cutter that Matthew was working on. I wonder how that's getting on. Wow, yeah, wow. That's going on lovely. I bought a metal enclosure for the circuit boards to go in through because I was having lots of problems with high frequency interference, which is a very common thing on these plasma cutters. And yeah, let's chuck some fuel in. We'll save a little bit because we might want to chuck a bit in the car. Again, I messaged Pete, mate, seeing if he'd come over and stole my fuel, but he said yes. Not that there's much to steal. As I said, I haven't seen any leaks, so what do you think, guys? Is it just evaporated or was I just very low originally? It might have been low. I can't remember. I don't think I ever filled it up after the Scamp picnic. If I do upload this video and it's not edited by my number 2 daughter, I do apologise. But I just thought I'd get a video up anyway. Talk amongst yourself. Oh, go juice. Here it goes. I really should have cleaned the mud off before putting it away last year, but welcome to my way of doing things. Do for the moment. Let's put a little bit of tinkle juice in the carb. We accurately pour a little bit in. Hey, oh, some of it went in the carburetor there. before. Whew. If the float chamber is empty, it might take a bit. Lovely. Oh, brilliant, eh? Feels like it's running on one. Running now. Yeah. Not lovely. Wow, it's definitely better now it's warmed up a bit. Cold start was evil. Still on choke at the moment. Definitely don't like it when you put the accelerator on. I don't think we're going anywhere today. This needs a tune-up. Well, it's not perfect, but we've got it out. I don't know whether to risk trying to go down the petrol station or not. I should have maybe put some gloves on. It's definitely better now it's warmed up, but it's still not perfect. So yeah, we could definitely get a bit of a tune on it. I've got a bit of choke on it still at the moment. Well, we made it back from the petrol station. So you got any trip in a car and you get back home, it's a success, wasn't it? So it did cut out a couple of times. It starts on the bottom though, most of the time when it's nice and warm, but yeah, it did cut out. So it definitely needs a tune up. So yeah, we'll have to look into that. And but yeah, it was good. Must remember to wear gloves in this weather and a big coat. But anyway, as just a quick hello, I am still around, missing a tooth. I had that pulled out Friday. Not very nice, I don't like that. So yeah, but yeah, as I said, deadlines on the other stuff. Frank's coming along, NEC in March. So yeah, I'll keep trying to post pictures just to keep you showing that I am doing stuff. And thank you for all the people that support me, members and patrons. Yeah, off to have some ham and chips and eggs, or eggs, hams and chips. Stay safe everyone, see you in a minute.